Hi there, I'm Logan with the Baratza team. Today I'll be walking you through how to dial an espresso with the Encore ESP. Let's jump right into it. The Encore ESP features 40 stepped adjustments, with steps 0 through 20 specially calibrated for espresso, meaning the distance between each click in this range is smaller, providing higher grind resolution and better accuracy in dialing in espresso. Steps 21 through 40 are normal steps for other brew methods such as pour-overs, drip coffee, and French press. Today we'll be focusing on the espresso range, starting with our recommended grind setting of 15. Near the hopper, the markings are placed every 2 steps as a reference. Locate setting 15 in between the 2 markings 14 and 16 and turn your hopper to this position. Add in your beans and grind through a small amount of coffee to ensure that your beans are loaded into the grind chamber. Roughly speaking, 10 seconds of grinding will equate to 18 grams of coffee and fill your dosing cup about halfway. If possible, we do recommend using a scale to weigh both your grounds as well as the final output. Let's begin with 18 grams in, pulling for around 20 to 30 seconds, and aiming for 36 grams out. Grind your beans into the dosing cup provided by switching the grinder to the on position, or holding down the purge button. Next, ensure your portafilter is warm, clean, and dry. Place the portafilter over the lid of the dosing cup and flip. Please note, if you're using a 58mm portafilter, a black rubber ring is provided to fit the dosing cup properly. Tap and level the grounds, then remove the dosing cup. At this point, you may choose to perform optional puck prep. After that, we can apply a nice even tamp and insert our portafilter into our machine for extraction. This shot seemed to run a bit on the slow side, so let's adjust 1 step coarser to setting 16 and extract again. So this shot pulled perfectly within 30 seconds and comes out to a nice 1:2 ratio. Don't forget to taste your espresso, and remember, dialing in perfectly is only relative to whatever tastes best to you. That's how we dial in with the Encore ESP. Next, let's move on to troubleshooting some issues you may be experiencing while dialing in your grind. If your coffee still tastes off, remember to check your coffee and water quality. You want to ensure you're using a freshly roasted coffee and good water quality with a balanced mineral content. These variables are essential to a clean tasting cup. If your coffee grounds are coming out too clumpy, there's a chance you're grinding too fine. Or you can use a distribution tool to break up these clumps. Lastly, if you're experiencing a high buildup of static, try introducing a small amount of water to your coffee beans. We like to do this by using the handle of a utensil like a spoon to stir in a few drops of water. If you have any further questions, please refer to the user manual on our website, or you can contact our friendly support team by emailing support@baratza.com. Thanks for watching and happy grinding!